Hey, hello everyone. This is Shubho Sarkar from EasyTech Tutorial. So in this video, we will learn how to schedule our social media post like Meta post, Facebook and Instagram post. So let's start the video. So at first we go to our Facebook business profile. Okay. So you just search on Google and Meta business. Then you see this URL, just click this URL and then Meta business profile will be open. If you have a Facebook profile page, then this business profile will be created automatically. When you enter this link, you will see this type of dashboard. Sometimes you will see nothing here because if you don't select any asset, you will see nothing here. This dashboard will empty. Then you can see this option here and you can click and you will see click your profile name. You can see your profile name here and then you can see your Facebook pages here. So here have some pages for my business profile and here I have another some pages. So I will post on my Facebook pages and Instagram page with same time and schedule this post for future. So you can easily schedule your weekly planner and you no need to post every day every time. You can schedule every post on Meta business profile. So here when you come your dashboard, then you will see the planner option. Just click the planner and then you will see a planner chart. Okay, so you can see this is today date, this is the date, and here you can see schedule post option. You just click here and option schedule post, schedule story, create reel. So we will schedule a post. So we will click here and then our time schedule chart will be open. Then you can select your date here and when your post will be published on Facebook and Instagram. Okay, so you can set a time. For example, you want to upload your post on 10 AM. Okay, and for Instagram you want to upload Instagram post on 4 PM. Okay, when you mark the time, you just save the time and here you will upload your post. Right, you can add a photo, any kind of photo from your desktop that you want to upload on your social media or something. Then I will upload my page photos. For example, I want to upload this image. I will upload this image and here you can add text for your post. For example, I will just add a hashtag. I just add a hashtag. You can see the preview of your Facebook post and you can also see the preview of Instagram. Okay, so you can add your caption, add copy here or post copy here, and if you want to customize your text for Instagram separately, then you just click here. Then you can get two options, one for Facebook, one for Instagram. If you want to add any another text in Instagram, then you can add it here, or if you want to post the same things on Facebook and Instagram, then you can close this option. After that you just click the schedule option, but before that you can check another thing. Just click here and check the option for Facebook and Instagram. If you uncheck the Instagram, then this post will not upload on Instagram. If you check both, then your post will be upload on Facebook and Instagram both in your schedule time. So when you will be scheduled, just click here and you can see done. Maybe later you can see our post has been scheduled, right? Very easy. And if you want to schedule your story also, click on schedule story and then same, just mark on your time and date and then save here, and you can upload your story images here. And then if you want, you can add your website link here also. I will input my website URL and then I will apply, and then you just schedule here. So this story will be scheduled for Facebook and Instagram both with your chosen time. So it's very easy. So we learn how to schedule our Facebook and Instagram post using our Facebook business profile. So I hope we learn so many little thing in our channel. So subscribe my channel and like the video if you think this video will help you some. Thank you so much.